Hey guys, today I'm going for dinner with a girlfriend, so I thought I would show you a really nice, soft and pretty look for an occasion such as this, and of course have a nice little chat to you guys, so I'll let you know what products I like that look good in person rather than just pictures or on videos and stuff like that, because that's what I'm all about. Of course, Notification Squad giveaway. I'm going to be giving someone the Sun Chaser palette by Becca. This is a beautiful palette containing a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. Ooh, it's so pretty. This is what you'll be getting. You guys know the drill by now. Just make sure you're subscribed, you have the notifications turned on, like the video, and leave a comment. But you have to make sure to comment within the first 12 hours. Pretty simple. Good luck. Okay, to start out, I've got completely naked skin. There's nothing on there. I like to use the Banana Bright by Ulla Henriksen. This is just an eye cream that also brightens under your eyes a little bit. I like to use eye cream before my makeup now. And then this is the Becca, it's a purple primer called the First Light Priming Filter. I've got, I suppose, a little bit of redness, so I feel like the purple counteracts that. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. So one end is the foundation color, the other end is for contour. I know I like literally just said this was a natural look, but you can still make cream foundation products look natural. I actually like them because this is essentially like contouring and highlighting, but I'm not going to be applying a foundation first, which I feel like it kind of means to me that I'll be using less layers. And then I've got a wet beauty blender, and then you just bounce it in. I try to do the lightest color first, and then I'll bounce in the contour. Next, it would be brows. So let me grab my favorite brow pencil, the Precisely My Brow in number 4 from Benefit. Brush them up first, and then get to work. I usually start around here, because I like to straighten out my arch. Nice and simple. Nothing too heavy or anything like that. Take your beauty blender, just gonna pat it through the whole thing to make sure it's not too hectic. Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brows. This one always confused me because I feel like I expect this to be the handle and this to be like where the product is, but it's the other way around and trips me out every single time. But this one is good because if you can see, it's a minuscule applicator, which is perfect because it means I don't get the brow product all over my face, because I have little hairs on my skin, obviously, around my eyebrows, so I always find a lot of the other brow applicators will end up getting it in the hair around my brows, and then I've got to remove it. So I really appreciate like skinny brow applicators. It's the small things that count, isn't it? The details. Easily my favorite concealer at the moment. Like, I do love a lot. I like the MAC one. I like Benefit Boing. Oh, I love Benefit Boing. But I absolutely love, for covering blemishes, the NARS Soft Matte. So good. I have quite a few colors. I like to use the medium or the light ones. Let's see, today I'll use medium to ginger because I'm a little bit more tanned. I've got fake tan on. I put on my Le Tan last night because I've got a photo shoot tomorrow. Oh, what's that? There's a piece of unblended makeup there. You are not welcome here. You shall not pass. Okay, conceal these boo-boos. So attractive. It just matches and blends so well, this stuff. I really loves it. You can use your finger to blend, but I'll just use the sponge. Sponge. Was that emphasis really necessary? Oh, my skin is very dry on these areas that I squeezed my blackheads on. Funny that. Yeah, I had a really good like blackhead squeezing session on my nose and on my chin, and now it's flaking to oblivion. I think I like scarred it. Oh my god, I totally did. Look at that. Ew. Ew, it's like peeling off. No bueno. You know what I should have done? I should have gotten some oil. I like to rub oil and it just kind of gets all the flakies off. But right now I'm just gonna have to literally pick them off with some tweezers so that they're just not visible. Yep, so I just like peeled off the main flaky bits, which is gross, but you could see them because they look white, so I had to remove them. I know that's gross, but this is the real me, guys. Now I want a really nice glowy eyeball. So I'm gonna use this Becca palette, which I really like. It's the Après Ski Eye Lights palette. It's really pretty glossy, sheeny eyeshadows, and they look really good. But first we need to prime. I don't actually find I need to prime that much. Like, my eyelids aren't particularly oily. I don't find that there is a huge difference between not priming. You know, if I'm not wearing a makeup for a long time, I feel like I don't have to prime that much. If I am wearing makeup for only a couple of hours, like tonight I'm just going for dinner and then I'm coming home, so I don't need this makeup to last all day. Typically I probably wouldn't even prime because of that, but let's do it today. I especially love this brown, and then some of the highlight shades are really pretty as well, but yeah, especially this brown. I'm definitely going to use it now. I'm just going to take that on a blending brush. This one's from Smashbox. And just make sure that it's not tacky on your eye. I like to wait till the primer's not tacky because then the eyeshadow won't be gripped by it. Oh, these are such silky eyeshadows. Next, I'll take that under the eye as well, and I'm going to use that big brush because I want it to be really soft and diffused all the way underneath. This color is a bit more burgundy, but still pretty like subtle. I'm going to put that here on the outer part of the eye and then on the inner part. What I'm going for here is, hopefully, obviously, a halo eye. Blend that through first. I really like that that is such a softly muted, berry color, I guess, but it's so soft, it's like so wearable. Really, really nice. Then I'll take this neutral one. Pop it there in the center. Ah, what a cute picture. Sorry guys, Seba just uploaded a photo of us. Isn't it cute? Go follow him, it's at Seba Mitcha.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I just said everyone should go follow you. You're so cute.
Well, I love you.
Oh my gosh, there's a picture that I didn't like.
Shame on you.
I'm gonna write hee hee. I'm gonna take a dab of these two colors and then focus it right here at the base of the halo. And then this pretty pink, I'm gonna put it right here. Because nobody puts baby in a corner. Actually no, this is baby pink and it's going in the corner of my eye. So I'm putting baby in a corner. That's how it's looking so far. I really like it. Now I've got the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit in volume 3. So it's the rose gold one. Super nice, and I like this color for my brow bone. I feel a bit sick, guys. I don't know if I ate something funny. So this is Dim Light Finishing Powder. I'm gonna add some KKW brightening powder on top of that. And then the KKW under eye concealer. I really like this stuff, guys. I'm still using it. Every makeup that I've done since I did that video, I've used this. It's good. Okay, a brown eye pencil. This is the Endless Silky Eye Pen from Pixi. Just on the outer corner like that. It's super subtle. Take a little bit on a smudgy brush and just soften it out too so there's no harsh lines. I'm gonna take a rich brown eyeshadow. This one's called Miss Chili from Smashbox. I'm just gonna pat that over the top. And then the mascara that I'm super into right now is the Clarins Mascara Supra. So good. Really recommend it. I am gonna curl my lashes first. This one's a Mecca Maxima one. I'm gonna put a nice nude eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama. The color's called Soft Nude. I'm gonna put it on my waterline. I'm gonna take the Smashbox Halo Hydrating Powder. It's in the shade Light. It's more of a light to medium. It wouldn't work for pale people. I'm literally just gonna put it on my forehead because I'm flaky everywhere else and I don't wanna make that more pronounced. Under the eye, I'm just gonna dust a very small amount of the KKW Baking Powder. I'll take the bronzer from that Ambient palette. It's a bit like dicky, these tiny little squares, but it's okay. It's just not as like easy to use as the normal size, obviously. Just kind of like, eh. What is this? A palette for ants? Same brush, but I'll take a different blush. I'm gonna take my Palette Cloette Romantic Radiance, and it's called Romance. It's a really nice rosy pink. I'll take this color highlight. This is the Passion highlighter. Just on my cheekbones and in here. I really love the Lanolips Rhubarb Tinted Lip Balm. It's really awesome. It has SPF 30 in it, so I love it for summer. It just feels so good. You only need such a small amount. God, this stuff feels good. It's kind of like the color of my lips. It looks darker in the tube, but when you put it on, it's much more light. So I've just got my hair in a ponytail. This is like 2-day hair. So yesterday I put mousse in it and blow dried it. And then today I went training, so I got a bit sweaty. So I just put some dry shampoo in it, and then I was able to get this really nice bouncy big ponytail, and I really like that look. I've got this really old top. I bought this when I used to love recreating Jennifer Stano's outfits. Still love Jennifer Stano's outfits, but I bought this top especially to recreate one of her outfits, and I actually like don't know how. I probably only wore it once in my life until now, and I just put it on and I realized how much I love it. This necklace was a gift from Tarte when I went on the Bora Bora trip a few years ago. God, that was fun. But yeah, it's just like a long string and you wrap it around like it's not a complete necklace. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I like that. So guys, that is the finished look. This is my face up close. It's looking really good. I love my eyebrows. I love the eyeshadow look. Beautiful eyeshadows, really recommend those. And of course, don't forget to enter the contest to win this Becca product. And yeah, guys, that's it. I'm gonna head out and have a really nice dinner with my friend at Coogee Pavilion. I love the chicken salad, the poached chicken salad that they have there. It's so good. So I'm really excited for that. Hopefully my tummy starts to feel better because I feel a bit funky in there. Maybe I shouldn't have the chicken. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video today, and I can't wait to see you very soon. Let me know what you think of this look. I really love the look. I feel radiant and not too overdone, so I'm in my ultimate confidence range. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the look too. So I'll see you next time very soon, hopefully on my channel. Love you.